Or not 66, sorry.
50.
Over there somewhere.
Yeah.
I think we were over there once before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Kieran! Come back in the living room.
Are you telling me stories?
Floor filler.
Are you telling me stories? Yeah.
Bobby wants to go to the drugstore. What else?
Telling me stories?
Come on, Naomi.
Kieran? Yeah, well, Jason's done early the next 3 days. Come on in the living room, please. I don't like keeping... Oh, yeah, no. No. If we put the gate back up, Kieran can't be trusted. He's done at 4 and 8, and when he's done, he'll be done. So one evening we can get the flooring.
Yeah. Is she holding your finger?
Yeah.
Is she holding your finger?
Yeah.
Good. That's nice. No, not that finger. Just that one. Yeah, just that one. Yeah, look, she's got your finger, Kieran. See that? I don't think she's got 2 fingers. Careful now. No, gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. Get your finger out of her mouth. Get your finger out of her mouth.